To produce 1 liter liquid detergent, do the following steps. Step 1. Measure 700 ml of pure water, mix with 3 g of table salt and stir for 5 minutes. Step 2. Measure 90 grams of labsa, add in water solution and stir slowly for 10 minutes. Step 2. Measure 90 grams of labsa, add in water solution and stir slowly for 10 minutes. Step 3. Measure 4 grams of caustic soda, dissolve by 10 grams, pure water stir, slowly for 10 minutes. Wait until cool down and add into labsa solution, stir slowly for 10 minutes. Step 4. Measure 60 grams of sodium silicate, add into labsa solution, stir slowly for 10 minutes. Step 5. Measure 27 grams of CMC and dissolve by 60 grams of pure water stir for 25-minute add into labsa solution, stir slowly for 10 minutes. Step 6. Measure 10 grams of sodium citrate, add in to labsa solution, stir slowly for 10 minutes. Finally, add perfume and color into labsa solution, stir slowly for 10 minutes. Wait 12 hours to use.